How to slow clip in Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can slow down a clip in Canva. For that, open any web browser and navigate to the Canva's website canva.com. On the Canva homepage, click on the Create a Design button located on the right side of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with various design options. Here, select Video option to create a new video project. You will be directed to the video editing interface. Here you can upload the video clip you want to slow down. By clicking on Uploads, you can select your own clip or click on the search bar to find the video clips from Canva. After searching, you will be presented with variety of video clips. Here, scroll down and find the one you like. Make sure you choose something that doesn't require pro subscription. Once you find the video you like, drag and drop the video clip to this canvas. At the right side, you can see the duration of your clip. Now to slow it down, you will see a playback button at the left side. Click on this button to open the playback speed option. In the playback speed options, you will see a slider that allows you to adjust the playback speed of the clip. Move the slider to the left to slow down the clip. As you move the slider to the left, you will see the clip's duration gradually increasing. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you can slow down a video clip in Canva and create content that matches your vision. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.